In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 online jobs that pay through Mpesa. Welcome to Financial Creatives. My name is Alex, and if you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to create more income or master your money, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can receive a notification every time I publish a new video. One of the major concerns by some of you who want to work online is, how do I get my money when I work online? I'm about to get this query solved. There are different online jobs both in Kenya and from other countries that can be able to pay you through Mpesa. I know this is one of the most familiar payment platforms that we have in Kenya, and once you are done with your work, you are able to receive that payment immediately. The first job in line is digital marketing consultant. The work of a digital marketing consultant involves helping people who own the platforms, online platforms, succeed in those platforms. These jobs ranges from social media marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, email marketing, and other digital marketing platforms that you might think out there. So what you need in this job is digital marketing skills. These are skills that you can acquire through online courses, or you can even have someone take you through these skills. So this is proving as one of the most profitable jobs in online because people don't have time to manage their platforms. Get into this skill and learn about Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter, YouTube, and you can also be a search engine expert in this field, and you're going to make your own money. The second job is content writing. This is one of the most popular jobs we have around. Everybody is doing content writing. Let me tell you how this works. So if you need to be a content writer, what you need to do is to sharpen your writing skills. Many organizations and even individuals need content writers for their blogs and even social media. So get those skills by learning them online and practicing again and again. This is highly paying and we really need you guys. I have my content writer who does a very good job because I cannot be able to manage all my content. So they come in handy, and this is a big market. You can get these jobs both locally and also internationally. So roll up your sleeves and get into content writing because it's a highly paying job, and these are jobs that are going to be there today and tomorrow. So embrace yourself for content writing. The third online job is to become a content editor. Now, once you receive a job from the content writers, it can become overwhelming to save all those jobs and go through them, do grammar checks and other punctuations, and also format it for publishing. So this is where a content editor comes in handy. So I remember this time that our organization was doing an event and we had a very detailed report. It was over 100 pages, and I had to look for a content editor who did some excellent job. So these jobs exist and they are required in the market in both individual and organization level. So hone your skills and perfect your editing skills, and you're going to flourish in this line of business. The fourth online job is a voice-over artist. You might not be familiar with a voice-over artist. Their work just involves using their voice as a tool of trade. So you have had adverts in your social media or in your TV, someone speaking behind the scenes, but you cannot see them. Those are the voice-over artists. So how is this relevant to the market? You might not be able to get a gig with the national TV stations or even other social media houses, but you can be able to secure one with even the local content creators like YouTube creators. For example, I have a YouTube channel where I review products, and after writing the scripts, I need a voice-over artist to do the voice for me so that I can be able to create a video out of that. Voice over artist jobs are going to get on demand as we move on, and it's good to position yourself to take advantage of this opportunity. The fifth online job is becoming a video editor. So most of us YouTube video creators don't have that time to shoot a video and also edit these videos. So what we do is we outsource video editors to do the editing for us, and what we do is just take the edited video and publish it. Although I have come to learn about video editing, and actually I edit my own videos. So you can get a video editing skills and help video creators, whether they are YouTubers or other companies or organizations that require their videos for marketing purposes, edit their videos. Go ahead and acquire video editing skills. You can learn this through online courses and be able to position yourself for these opportunities. The sixth online job is becoming a web designer. As a web designer, your work is to help people design their website. This can range from organization website or even personal blogs. For example, if I want a website for my business, I can approach you. You make that website for me or design the website for me, and I'll pay you some amount. This can range from 20 to 50 or even 500,000 depending on the design of the website. So this is a very important job, and if you have done computer science, IT, this would be an easy skill to gain. And it is not a must that you do IT. You can learn these skills. Imagine I learned these skills and I usually make or design all my website. This is a learnable skill, and all you need is that commitment and passion to make it in this industry. There are many courses out there that will teach you how to design or make a blog. Take advantage of these opportunities so that you can start making your own money online. The seventh online job that you can take up today is becoming an online marketing influencer. Some of you have massive following in your social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, and also in YouTube channels. Now, if you have a following of 10,000 or even 100,000, you are an influencer in that platform. You can take advantage of this by approaching different businesses and even promoting their businesses, and they're going to pay you a commission for this. Some of the Kenyan influencers get paid a lot of money, and by just making a single tweet, one can get over 20,000. So this is a great opportunity that you can take with your online following, and also you can intentionally build up your following online to start taking advantage of these gigs. The eighth online job in our list is transcription job. This is one of the most popular jobs that we have around, and most of you know how to do online transcription. Now, to become a transcriptionist, all you need to do is to have the skill to convert audio files or videos into text format. For example, I can hire a transcriptionist to convert this video into text format so that I can take that text and publish it in my blog. So online transcription is a highly demanded job, and if you can be able to learn this skill, you can be able to make money online and get paid through Mpesa. Our ninth online job is becoming a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a person who provides various services to businesses and entrepreneurs while working from a remote area. Now, someone from US can hire me to be managing his emails or even to do customer service. Now, there are many jobs that a virtual assistant can do. This ranges from managing people calendars, emails, appointments, and even social media management. So you can become a virtual assistant, but remember, this is a highly skilled job that requires commitment and discipline, because the other party is depending on you to get it right. He or she will depend on you to do things that matter to his or her business. The 10th online job that you can take advantage of today is affiliate marketing. Now, as an affiliate marketer, what you do is you promote other people or businesses, products, and then you get a commission once you make a sale from those products. There are different companies that give these opportunities, companies like Jumia, Kilimall, name them, and you can also get these opportunities from big e-commerce websites like Amazon or even eBay. So what you need is to master your sales skills so that you can be able to make as many sales as possible, hence getting a commission out of your hard work. Those are 10 highly skilled online jobs that you can start today. But I'm going to give you a bonus because you just subscribed to this channel. So another business that you can start, or a job that you can start today, is creating an online course. Most of us are highly skilled in our 8 to 5 jobs. We know skills like accounting jobs, marketing skills, we are even web designers and other highly specialized skills. Now what you can do is to package that skill and sell it. This is a secret. You can make a lot of money by doing this. So go ahead and package those skills and sell them to other people. Now, if you are a web designer, you can teach other people how to design their website without hiring web designers. That's the bonus for you. Thank you for keeping up to the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button and don't forget the notification bell if you want to receive such great videos every time I publish one. And before you go, remember to share this video in your social media account so that you can help me reach as many people as possible. So until next time, take care.